Alexa, Alexa, Alexa.
We have a number of Alexa devices and other devices in our house. At one point, my kids figured out that I could talk to them, but also they could talk to them. Once they could speak even reasonably clearly, 4 or 5 year old, they are off and away, and Alexa was able to hear them fine.
Alexa,
And that's when all the fun stopped for me.
play Baby Shark.
There's an OMFG song, the hamster dance, there's the chicken dance, Baby Shark. Let It Go is timeless. Hey Alexa, play Baby Shark. It's a form of like kitty terrorism. Luckily, there's a really easy and incredibly useful solution that's built right into the Alexa app. Tap the menu button in the upper left corner, then tap Routines, then the plus sign. Give your routine a name, it can be anything. Now tap When This Happens, and then the Voice button. This is where you write the phrase that triggers Alexa's response. Tap Next, then tap Add Action, and then Alexa Says, and then Customized. This is where you enter how you want Alexa to respond. Tap Next twice, then tap Save. It loads up, and within seconds it should be live.
Alexa, play Baby Shark.
Keep that up, and your parents might put you in a timeout. I'm not playing that infernal song ever again. Now go clean your room.
It's one of those things where I thought, this is driving me crazy, and I'm just trying to have my coffee in the morning and listen to the news. And I really don't need to hear Baby Shark any more times. Please, please, please. So this is a perfectly great tool to fix an unwanted response from any of these devices. And so now it's checkmate. I got you.
Oh, not in this house, sucker.
Alexa, can you play Whole Town Roads by Kids Bop?
Old Town Road by Kids Bop Kids, starting now.